everyone, Sabby here. So for today's video, I'm just gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. Nothing too fancy, it's super easy, so feel free to follow along. But before I start, I just want to mention that I did my winged eyeliner off camera, because if I was to do it on camera, it would have taken me like 20 minutes. And I also prep my face. Let's get started with the rest of the makeup. So I'm gonna apply this cushion foundation from PERIPERA. It's from the Ink Cushion. I love it. I started using it last week. It offers medium coverage and it leaves the face feeling super soft. And now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm all over the place when it comes to doing my makeup, so I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and then I'm gonna apply concealer. So for the base, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna use this white color. Well, let me zoom in. Okay, it's much better now. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this soft brown shade from CLIO, if I can find it, because it's a single eyeshadow. So it's this one. So I take a bit of that color and apply it all over the eyelid. I prefer using soft browns when I'm doing my makeup, so it gives that natural aspect. And now I'll apply a bit of glitter. And I'm gonna use the one from ETUDE house. It's from this palette, the Coffee Holic palette. And I'm going in with this shade. And now I'm gonna blend in all the colors. So I'm going back in with this brush. And now I'm gonna apply concealer, and some of you might hate me for doing this, but I just do it like this, the triangle under my eyes. So if you wear makeup, when did you start wearing makeup? I personally didn't start wearing makeup until I was 18, because in high school, well, so when I graduated from high school that summer, I started looking up tutorials on YouTube on how to like do makeup, and the first thing that I wanted to learn was to do winged eyeliner. Yeah, and it wasn't easy. Like, it took me so long to like pull that off. But yeah, I wasn't wearing makeup in high school, because I had this idea that it's very complicated to do makeup and it has to be done in like in a certain way, because I would watch those tutorials, and you know, beauty gurus on YouTube, they do all those crazy things like crease, and then those super pigmented colors, and then bronzer, contour, all of that. And it was like, that's way too much for me, and I don't know if I could wear that every single day. But then as I started getting more and more into makeup, I learned that hey, I can do my own style of how to do makeup. I shouldn't follow all those beauty gurus, and I shouldn't do my makeup the same way they do it, because you know, if I'm not into like contouring my face, then I'm not gonna do it. Like, why do I have to feel like that I have to do that? So now my makeup is a mixed, like sometimes on some days it's super natural, in other days I use like super pigmented colors and like tons of highlighter. So it depends on my mood. And um where I was going with this, yes, I feel like everyone should do the makeup the way they like it and the way they feel comfortable with doing makeup. um and they should stop have this idea that, oh, you know, if a certain beauty guru does it this way, I should do it this way because this is the correct way. I'm gonna apply some concealer where I have pimples. And I'm gonna use a brush to also, like here in this area where I'm wearing the eyeshadow, to make sure that the concealer looks nice and it doesn't look weird, like you have eyeshadow here and then like concealer starts right here, so it blends in nicely. Same with here. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I like the shape of my eyebrows, so I just fill them in. I don't do like a different shape or anything like that. So the way I do my eyebrows is super easy. Use this pencil brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Please don't laugh at me. I've been using this since last year. So it kind of broke, like the brush is over here. It's no longer here. So yeah, it broke and I don't know where the cap is. And it's a medium brown. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows first, and then I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and that's it. Okay, now it's time for setting powder, and I like using setting powder because I don't really retouch my makeup throughout the day, so this will help my makeup last longer. And don't worry, I'm gonna link all the products in the description box of this video so you can check them out. But I use both Western and K-Beauty products. Eyeshadow under my eyes and apply mascara. So to make sure that my eyes pop, I'm gonna use this maroon color from the ETUDE palette, so this one, but I'm not gonna apply too much of it. And now I'm gonna put a bit of words under my brows so they look more defined, like here. And then in my inner corners, I'm gonna apply a silver color. I'm going in with this. It's from Etude House. It's a pencil. gonna apply mascara. This one is from Urban Decay. It's this lip balm. And then I like applying a lip tint because it's more hydrating than a lipstick. So I use this one from CLIO. It's in shade 12. Now blush and highlighter, because I don't do contour, I don't do bronzer. So when I went to this K-beauty event last year, I got this cute sample. I still have mixed feelings about this product, but it does its job, so I'm keep using it. So all the product is on here.